Need 2 forgetting elixirs and 1 intelligence mod. Both people use one of the forgetting elixirs to wipe points. Both buy up the first 9 points on intellect. Both then buy the first 4 of charismatic nature. One person equips intelligence mod. This gives the person 10 points in intelligence, even though they didn't spend that point. Now buy the last point of charismatic nature, to give everyone in the game 1 point to all perks. This gives the other player 10 points in intelligence, even though they didn't spend that point and without the intelligence mod. Need 2 people to have max intellect and charismatic nature for this to work. You don't have to buy the last of each attributes now, and everyone saves points, so you can spend your points where you want.